Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Pechi and I welcome you to yet another Get Ready With Me video. So before I go any further, I just want to say thank you so much, 1000 plus subscribers. Thank you. I really appreciate all your love and support that you're showing to this channel. Thank you so much, guys. We are going out for dinner tonight and it is really a special day today, so I have to look pretty. So there I am, painting my face again, so get ready with me. In case you're wondering, I just realized that my brown eyebrow pencil is finished, so I have to make use of what I have, and that is black. Okay, so I'm just gonna do my eyebrows using the black eyebrow pencil, but it's really kind of weird because I'm used to using brown. Ladies, let me know in the comments, do you use brown or do you use black eyebrow pencil when you're doing your eyebrows? Let me know in the comments down below. So right now it's too late to go and buy a brown one because I only have about 30 minutes to prepare, so I just have to make use of the black one. Okay. So my eyebrows, sometimes they look like sisters, sometimes they look like cousins, sometimes they look like neighbors, and only a few times they really look like twins when I'm done, but it doesn't really matter. What matters is that I get it done, right? So I don't know how they're going to look like today, but let's get it done. I think these eyebrows really look like identical twins today. What do you think, guys? What do you think? Put it in the comments down below. Let me know if they look like twins. Alright, I'll be really happy if you say they look like twins because I want them to look like twins all the time. But somehow they are kind of stubborn. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, kindly click that subscribe button and also click the notification bell so that you get notified each time I release a new video. There we go, blending time, my favorite part. Dab. So I have to do it really fast because it's getting dark, I'm running out of time, so I just have to dab really quick. And lipstick. Perfect. Let's go on to the nails. As you can see, my nails they need a little shaping. But anyway, we don't have much time right now, so we're just gonna apply the nail polish just like that. Okay, so I'll do another video on how to apply nail polish and how to take care of nails, but for now we're just going to apply the nail polish. And I don't know why, but I always end up choosing pink. It's either pink or red. I don't know why that is, but let me know in the comments which one is your favorite color on nail polish. Let me know in the comments. As you know, guys, you have watched my other videos. I haven't been really taking good care of my nails lately. I have been applying some stick-ons, you know, some tips and all. So they are kind of damaged. My nails are damaged and that really hurts. So I'm just gonna try and take good care of them from now on and not apply any, you know, any stick-ons and all those kinds of stuff, just to maintain the natural ones. So let's get it done. So this is how they look with just the nail polish, but I'm just going to go ahead and apply the top coat. Okay, and now this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.